Hi everyone, and welcome back to Duo Teaches. Today I'll be talking to you about a very powerful tool in Microsoft Windows, Lazesoft. Now, Lazesoft is a recovery tool or software for regaining access to your Windows PC and also for recovering lost files in a hard disk or hard drive. To get started, download Lazesoft Recovery Tool from their website. The link is provided in the description box. Next, choose the first option, Lazesoft Recovery Suite 4.3 Home Edition. After download, install it. Next, choose what you want the software to do for you. That is, ban bootable disks, Windows recovery, data recovery, disk clone, password recovery, that is, recover password if lost. You can use this feature to access any locked Windows computer no matter the password on it. All you need is a bootable pen drive and you are good to go. If you need any help, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section. See you next time. Bye.